is Katja. I do look after all of the academy and training activities for the Middle East and the Northern Africa region. Dräger as a company is not only manufacturing and supplying equipment, we are really looking at the entire life cycle of the product. So essential part of that is also to provide training and educational content of our equipment. This is to ensure that the users at any point in time are confident to use the units and that they have the knowledge and the content that they need for their daily work. So this is to ensure that patients are safe, that the equipment is used in the right way, and also that hospitals can comply with the regulatory standards. We do offer training in different formats. We do very classical training in classroom format. We have online web-based training modules available. And we also have an Academy app that gives extra content for users right on the point of care. So you can flash a QR code, you can get access to how to use videos, to clinical content, to application content in a very easy way. This is what we promote, and this is how we aim to ensure that we have the knowledge available at the right point.